EVP Jocelyn Evangelista, Attorney Marichelle Reyes, and fellow employees, happy anniversary po sa ating lahat. Yes, it's our 59th anniversary. In celebration of our 59th anniversary, I would like to welcome you to the opening of the 147th art exhibit with the theme SSS at 59, Kaagapay at Kabalikat sa Pagbabago. This year's anniversary exhibit will feature the works of the Ugnay Sining Art Group composed of seasoned artists organized under the principle of uniting all artists through art. I will introduce them to you later. To start off, I call on Ms. Marisuji Bugande, the Vice President for Public Affairs and Special Events Division, to give the welcome remarks.
Thank you, Sonia. Executive Vice President Rizal Capulong, my fellow workers in the social security system, our featured artists from the Ugnay Sining Art Group, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Once again, happy anniversary. We are 1 year short of being a senior corporate citizen. Pero hindi pa tayo mag-retire. So in fact, as institutions go, 60 years old is quite young. No, diba? So, okay, welcome to the opening of the Ugnay Sining Art Group exhibit, which is part of our 59th anniversary celebration. This art exhibit centers on the theme SSS at 59, Kaagapay at Kabalikat sa Pagbabago. I would like to thank the very talented Ugnay Sining Art Group, whose members originally came from different art groups from all over the Philippines, for choosing the SSS Gallery once again, not only to house their works, but also for sharing a part of themselves with us through their masterpieces. Our gathering here at the gallery, with its beautiful ambience and fine collection of paintings by 14 seasoned Ugnay Sining artists, underlines the SSS commitment of being an institutional patron of arts. Pero hindi kami nakakabili pa ng mga how many millions of dollars worth of talagang Badluna or something like that. We invest on people like you who are our members. Okay, so stirring not only a sense of appreciation